still learning.
Hey guys, welcome back to another training. So today we're going to just run over how you can understandably what's happened with debt node. Obviously that it's available to get debt nodes now, but obviously they're out of some people's price range, and we're going to show you a strategy that we're using to make sure that we accumulate as much of this native token as we can, because obviously we know that what happens generally in crypto is the native token will be the first token to be dropped on the larger exchanges before the utility tokens like aluminum, like grow, and the rewards that we're getting from our nodes. So we want to be accumulating this specific debt token. Big question is, how do we do that? We're going to show you that today, and how to dollar cost average. When the market drops, we buy more. Okay, we've already taught you the strategy of how we break up when our rewards land in our X node account. We've given you some ideas as food for thought there, but now we're going to show you how to actually directly just buy the debt token on Pancake swap now. So first and foremost, we're going to show you a little thing that most people don't understand, that you can actually, with Trust Wallet, if you're operating with Trust Wallet, a lot of people use MetaMask. That's a lot easier. I like Trust Wallet. I just have always operated from Trust Wallet. I've got a MetaMask as well. You can see in the top right-hand corner there, the little MetaMask icon. But I like to hold a lot of my crypto assets in my Trust Wallet because it's on my mobile. Now, big question is, how do we connect our Trust Wallet up into the Pancake swap, protocol without actually doing it from our phone? We want to do it from our desktop because a lot of people like to use desktop when doing this sort of thing. So that's very easy. We just click connect wallet. Okay, we're going to go into our phone. Okay, we're going to open up Trust Wallet. Okay, in your phone you'll have settings. Okay, in your Trust Wallet, you're going to click on that. In those settings there's a thing called Wallet Connect. Okay, we're going to click on Wallet Connect, and then we'll click on New Connection. Okay, it's going to come up with a QR scanner. Okay, cool. So we're just going to click on that QR scanner. Okay, and then we're going to click Wallet Connect. We'll scan it and connect, and we're on. It's a happening thing. Okay, so I'm connected there, all hooked up. Okay, so what we do next, okay, is we're going to look to purchase some of the actual native debt token. Okay, so we're going to go to trade, and we're going to click on swap. Always make sure that you're on the smart chain. Well, you will be on the smart chain generally if you're on Pancake swap. Okay, and once we land here, our balance should show up. So as you can see there, I've got 0.525 BNB. So I'm going to use a bit of that BNB to pick up some of that native debt token. Okay, so if we go here, we could actually just put in debt. I've already purchased some before, so it should show up when I put it in here. Okay, I need to import. Okay, so I click import. Click I understand, import. All right, now we're good to purchase. Okay, so you need to make sure that you have the debt token compatible or in your Trust Wallet. That we show that in another training. That's really straightforward. If you've done this before, we just want to show you the buying process today. So I'm going to use, so there's about $180 in here, I think, from what I last saw. I'll have a quick double check. Actually, it's probably a good idea to have a quick double check. Let's have a look. Okay, so $150. Okay, so we're going to go about 50% of that and see how much that'll get us. That's 6.2. We're going to do 6.2 of the debt token at current value. Okay, so that'll give, that's about $77 US that we're going to grab today. So just understand that you might have to play around with the slippage. I like to keep it as low as possible. How we do that is we just click up here on the settings. Okay, and then the slippage is quite high, so I'm going to try lower that slippage down to see if I can just to see if the slippage will, otherwise the fees are a bit high, and you will miss out on a little bit of that extra token. So I would try to get the slippage as low as possible. You might need to try a couple of times. Sometimes the transaction will go through, sometimes it will say the slippage is wrong and you'll have to go back and redo it, but we're going to have a crack at that, see if it goes through. All right, waiting. All right, it is taking a little bit to go through, but we'll just wait a little bit longer. So generally it will give you, if there's an error, it'll give you an error. It'll give you a little error note will come up. This is taking longer than it usually should. It's probably because we're doing a screen share right now. All right, I might try that again. Okay, let's go with a slightly higher slippage. Okay, we'll go slippage tolerance 10, and then we'll do that swap again. Okay, so obviously my slow internet is not helping here. But what will generally happen here, I'll just give you a run through what you'll get next. It's going to ask you to confirm transaction. You'll have a little pop-up, right? And then you're going to just click OK, confirm. And then the transaction will get sent to the blockchain. Once it's sent to the blockchain, then your debt tokens will land in your trust wallet. Okay. And then pretty much you just repeat this process. Okay. When the market drops, you make sure you got some BNB there or some USDT BP20 because it trades against that as well. And then you come back in here, you purchase some more, and you just continue to dollar cost average. Okay, so you just continue to DCA into this native token. So this doesn't seem to be working well. I got my screen share on, but that's fine. This is basically the process. It's pretty straightforward. If you guys have any questions or any insights that you want to share with us, just let us know, and we'll make sure we reach out.